recently something has gone wrong and now you're trying to basically turn things around. All right, some of you being very, very focused towards your money and stability. I definitely see all of this is stemming from some sort of heartbreak. So you basically wanted a situation with a loved one or career or whatever. Basically you wanted things to go in a certain way and things have turned out to be in a very different way. Things have gone in a very different direction and now you're basically like, I invested so much of time, I invested so much of my energy, things are not going in my way, so let me just focus on my growth. Some of you doing some inner work, taking some programs, self-help programs, growth, and you're very much basically, you're trying to change your life is what I see. You are just not becoming a victim of your situation. You're trying to see why things happened with you and now you're trying to better your life, which is a good thing. Okay, you're very much focused on your healing, your growth, and you're not giving up. You're trying to go one step at a time to change your life basically. See the Fool card, you're trying to take risk, you're trying to do new things. Okay, some of you, there are situations where you basically kind of, because you're still healing from the pain, so there might be situations where you kind of feel that you should go back to the past or you should go back and fix something, but then still you kind of keep reminding yourself as to how you should keep going forward and you cannot go back. So I see that. Okay, trying to basically tell yourself that you should not go back. You guys are manifesting something these days. Some of you, it could be love situation, some of you it could be career, I don't know, but you guys are like master manifestors and you're trying to manifest something. Some of you trying to manifest money. Okay, so maybe money situation has been a little tough for you. For some of you, I definitely see money as a concern, or money was a concern and now you're improving. And for others of you, it could be relationship, like you really wanted stability with somebody but things didn't happen the way, and now you're trying to detach and you're trying to let go and you're just going after doing things that light up your life. Whatever makes you passionate, you're going after that. Okay, and all of this is coming from a lot of disappointment. Somebody really disappointed you. They really tested your patience. You were really having high hopes from this person or this connection, but things basically took a turn for the worst. Okay, what else? And with the 5 of Pentacles and the 3 of Swords and the Magician, I would tell you that the advice is to be more optimistic in life if you're not already. But as I already told you, have already set for this new journey and you're already taking these steps to change your life. But if you're still carrying the burden of your past, then your message is to unburden yourself and try to be more optimistic in life. Okay, try to focus on the positives, because that actually gives you hope to live, and all that we need in life is a little hope, right? Okay, what else for my Sagittarius, please? Ten of Swords. Sagittarius, baby, who broke your heart? Who is this person? There was a lot of passion between both of you, but now you kind of feel betrayed. Somebody might have cheated you, or it was a right person at the wrong time, because I definitely see that you started with a lot of bang and things were really good between both of you when you were connected to each other, but then something just did not go as per the plan. Some of you might also be missing this person because you kind of feel stuck. There are moments where you kind of miss the chemistry that both of you had. See, so you contemplate a lot, you're trying to move on, but something kind of keeps you stuck. So it's like one step forward, 2 step backward kind of thing going on. So you don't know, like you're moving on, that's good, but there is something which also keeps you coming back. So you kind of miss this person or miss the good times. Like when you guys were together, it was a lot of good moments basically. You might have really connected very quickly, so it could have been love at first sight, or you just had a lot of passion basically. It was a good connection. Maybe it was the right person at the wrong time. I don't know. What was the blockage here? What was the blockage here between Sagittarius and their person? What was the blockage? Fool card. Yeah, see? Okay, the problem was that your person was very lazy. With the Hermit card, it shows that, this person does not take risks in life and very immature behavior. Somebody was very immature. They did not take risks in life. They were someone who does not think through. They try to make rash decisions. Okay, so maybe this person was making some rash decisions which affected both of you. But there was definitely a lot of passion. See, Page of Wands again, and the Ten of Cups. You both really had a very good chemistry, but because of the immaturity and before of their lazy attitude, or maybe because they took so long to make a decision, it's like one of those people who are so passionate and you really feel a very good connection with them, but as soon as they have to make a move or they have to, offer you something concrete, they don't do that. So they don't do the right thing at the right time, and because of that, they miss the opportunity. So some of you, this person missed this opportunity with you because they did not take the right decision at the right time. And some of you, they were not taking risks. With the Fool card, they were not taking risk as a blockage. Fool card basically asks us to take the risk, take the leap of faith. Maybe this person was not doing that. So what is this person's feelings towards my Sagittarius now? Some of you, I feel that you were the action taker in this connection, You were doing more than them. And they were just thinking a lot. Before giving you commitment, they thought a lot. They were just contemplating a lot. Four of Wands is their feelings towards you. This person misses you. Yeah. This person also sees you in a very good light. Some of you, they know that you're very stable, and with you, they can have that stability. So they are kind of heartbroken as to how they missed this opportunity with you. Some of you, this person is definitely missing you. You're basically on this person's mind a lot. See, this person is thinking about you. What is their next action towards Sagittarius? Nine of Wands. This person is planning to make a move towards you, but it's going to be a slow process. Sagittarius, honey, you're dating a snail. Do you know that? This person definitely knows that you complete them and like you are a very solid catch, but the Nine of Wands is their approach towards you. So they will make a move. They are not throwing the towel in yet, but very slow person. You're basically dating a snail. Some of you, they're also taking their time because they know that they've done you wrong in the past, like they've really hurt you, and maybe they asked you to leave in the past, and now they're like, how do I go back to Sagittarius? Sagittarius is not going to accept me, so they might be having some sort of shame. What is Sagittarius action toward this person? Some of you, I see that you're very much focused on your own self. Yeah. Your action is you're basically joining your hands and you're like, please leave my life, go away. And you're trying to focus on your own growth. Some of you are healing already. You're on the path of healing and you are healing. You still expect a communication from them, but you're not going to initiate. I see you're very focused on your stability and emotional stability and financial stability. And you're trying to detach from this person, Seven of Wands. And you're very much focused on your money, your stability, your goals or whatever. So, yeah, Eight of Swords, see? But there is something about this person which kind of keeps you stuck as well. You love this person, I see that. You both have feelings for each other. It's the right person at the wrong time kind of situation, I think. So you both want to be in this relationship. You both miss the chemistry. You both wanted to connect, but things did not materialize. They did not take action. And you were the one who was doing everything, and now you kind of drained, that kind of thing. All right, so what's going to be the future of this connection? Six of Pentacles. I see communication coming in. Somebody would want to give their 50% in the connection. So it's like in the past you were the only one who's doing everything, but now see, this person has really drained you in the past. You were the one who was doing everything, but now they want to cooperate. In the past, I think they were also taking a lot of benefits from you because they knew you would anyway do it for them. And then they basically, overburdened you to a point where you were like, I'm not going to do this. And now this person wants to cooperate. And sometimes you really have to pull back, and only then people appreciate. Okay, future outcome. Two of Cups. There is love here. Some of you also have an option between two people. There's definitely love here. I see that this is like a right person at the wrong time. I don't know. Time and again, I'm getting the same message. Some of you, this problem, just the problem of this person was they were not expressive. There's nothing else. I do not see infidelity, or I don't see anything else. It's just the right person at the wrong time. They were not expressing in the past. They were scared, maybe. They were intimidated. I don't know. Or they were just like not having enough guts, but now they want to do it with the Two of Cups. I see somebody coming towards you for sure. And some of you will also be very skeptical to accept this person back because of their inconsistent behavior. You'll be like, I don't know. See, 5 of Wands. You kind of feel conflicted over this person because you cannot trust. For others of you, I also see you have multiple options. So you will be having choices. And your message is to also not get yourself into conflicts, and do not try to, like, please pay attention to your mental health. Your mental health seems like little off these days. So try to focus on your mental health. Try to focus on your priorities. Try to prioritize things in your life, okay? And don't take a lot of burden, because I see you're unnecessarily burdening yourself. You want to do things for everybody and then you get hurt. Avoid drama at all costs. And because when you will do that, I see love coming in. I definitely see love coming in very strongly. And it's like a wish fulfillment. So whatever you have been waiting for is coming in. All right? For now, you focus on yourself. Give me a message for Sagittarius, finance and career. Didn't I tell you? Focus on your finances, focus on your career, focus on your stability. Things will happen for you. Pay attention to the red flag and free yourself. See, wasn't I telling this? Maybe right now, and this could be the one at the bottom of the deck, you're definitely about to meet the one for you, but you, Sagittarius, you don't have to take anything in your hands for now. Free yourself, your mental health. I definitely see some problem. I see that you're stressing a lot, you try to do a lot, you're draining yourself. For now, free yourself. Also pay attention to the red flags, and the red flags could be your own body telling you that you need rest. So try to do that, okay? Do not ignore the red flags and focus on your finances, stability and career or whatever. For love, just take a step back. It's gonna happen in your life when you least expect. I definitely see somebody having a lot of love for you. Looks like a wish fulfillment, but for now, focus on yourself. All right? When you focus on yourself, everything will be in the right direction. All right? So that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, bye.